What's the one thing families regret the first night they move into their new home that they never even thought about? I'm going to show you a bad option and then a great option. Now, as I'm walking through here, first, look at this sitting water. It rained over 24 hours ago. And so the drainage, the slope and the swale of this lot is not quite right. You should not have sitting water like that. 24 hours later, that should be gone. But this is what I wanted to point out to you. The first night families move into their new home and then they have a regret is they realize their air conditioning unit outside is right outside their master bedroom window. And they hear it kicking on and kicking off, kicking on and kicking off. Even though these windows are really great with insulation and some noise insulation, they can still hear the unit. Look how big this one is in front of me. That's one big mamma jamma. So, it's worth the question in your design process with the builder to ask if you can move the air conditioning unit outside. This is a great example. Sometimes it's an option, sometimes it's not. Every time you'll have to pay more money for it, but it's money well spent. This unit is not outside the master because the master is down here. This is actually more of a neutral place of the home, and it works. So what kind of factors play into this? It's really going to be the home site itself, whether or not you have enough of a setback between the homes so it doesn't encroach on any of the setback requirements. But that's a pro tip. Such an easy question to ask, and the stakes are really high. So I hope that helps. We have a lot more videos to shoot, so I'll see you on those videos. If you have any questions, send me a text. I love getting texts from families just like you every single day, helping you through the process. Our team's amazing. We love what we do, and we'll take good care of you. All right, see you in the next video.